So this is a book. In Serbian it's knjiga. Knjiga. So yes. Oops. Upside down. Okay. Knjiga. Then another one. This is sveska. It's a notebook, you know. Sveska. Well, we also have this one. So that how this thing up are called notes. Like it's literally just how you write it in English, just straight red like in Serbian or Spanish. However, notes. This is rečnik, dictionary. Yeah. Then we have časopis. For example, this one. This is a Slovak časopis, Slovak magazine. Peratonica, or some call it pernica. It has like few names. So this is marker. You know, gumica for pencils. Zarezač. Zarezač. Sharpener for pencils. Hemijska olovka. It's a pen, like this one. Also hemijska olovka. This is another marker. Belilo. This is for erasing mistakes that you made with pen. Olovka. Pencil. Grafitna olovka. Graphite pencil. And then bojica, coloring pencil.